How much density of this wig do you think?
Go ahead.
And I always suggest my customers forget about the density because
Drip.
you don't know how
Drip.
much volume of the hair we make for this
Drip.
wig.
Drip.
I always tell my customers that you see the wigs by yourself, the volume of the hair. This one. So if you are my old customers, my regular customers, you tell me how many bundles I use for this week. I'm going to show you how many grams for this week. This one. Is okay. 0 is 452 grams for this week. 452 grams. So you guys tell me that which length this week is. We use a 22-inch, 24-inch, and 2 bundles 26-inch. So actually it's 4 bundles and 1 frontal to make this wigs. So the longest hair can reach to 26-inch or 26.5 or close to 27-inch for this wigs. Remember we use 22, 24, 2 bundles 26-inch. So it's 4 bundles, 1 frontal. So I show you the back size with this. So it will reach here. I'm not sure if any other hair vendors will tell you how many bundles they use for the wigs to make the full volume wigs for you guys, but I always tell my customers, actually back to many years ago, like 3 years ago or 4 years ago, I make one important video to teach all the ladies how to purchase the wigs regarding of the density. So if you ask me what's the density of these wigs, I cannot tell you because the other vendors maybe they will tell you 300% density. Maybe the other hair vendor will tell you 250% density, this one. But I already show you is 452 grams for this wigs. So how many density? How much density you tell me is for this wigs? This one. Actually, I sell a lot of wigs every day. I don't only focus on the bundles and lace closure there, lace frontal. I can customize the wigs for you guys. You pick the different lengths of the bundles and lace closure, lace frontal, and we can make the wigs for you, like this one. Customers ask me what the difference is between the Southeast Asian version hair and the Northwest Asian version hair. The difference is the fullness of the bottom. Which one? This one. So for the difference between the Mejor Milagros Southeast Asian version hair and the Northwest Asian version hair, the difference is the bottom, this one. So I will attach one photo in this video so you guys can see the difference. But if you don't understand exactly what I'm talking about, you can contact me on WhatsApp. Remember to check the contact information in the description box. Always remember the only number to contact me because the other hair vendors will use our name Mejor Milagros Wholesale version hair or Mejor Milagros version hair to do marketing. They use our name to do marketing on the internet, but when you click the link, actually it's not our website. Please remember, they can steal my information, but they cannot steal my face. They cannot steal my personality. This one. Okay, I will see you in the next video.